I'll start putting people in breakout rooms in just a moment, Madam Clerk. Good morning, everyone, and welcome to Traffic Court. I see everyone has their screens off, which is okay for now. That helps us when you're not expecting to be admitted, because I've got somebody that's on camera in the bed. I need you to sit up, please. All right. I am Judge Ramsey-Heath. You're in Traffic Court. What's going to happen next? I'm going to put you in a breakout room where an attorney will come to meet with you before I hear your matter. We are aware that you are there. We are aware you are waiting. Please do not use the help button in the breakout room. It just makes it take longer. We can see you waiting. We know you're there. If I call your name, I'm going to ask you to go ahead and please unmute your device so that we can make sure your sound is working as I get you into the breakout room. All right. I have Sierra Powell.
Yes.
Unmute. Good morning.
Good morning.
Room 3, please. Deshaun Tillman, good morning. You're going to room 4, please. Mr. Tillman, unmute. Just say something so I can hear you, please. Deshaun,
How you doing?
there we go.
This is
Okay.
Sean Tillman.
Thank you. Room 4. You're going to room 4. Thank you. James
All right.
Thomas, please unmute. James Thomas, please unmute. You're going to room 5. All right. I'm going to move on. Joel Taylor.
I'm here.
All right. Mr. Thomas, you're going to room 5. Thank you. Give me just a minute. I got to click off of this now.
Oh crap, I was outside, my bad.
Okay, just make sure you're listening, because if the attorneys come to your room and you don't answer, they'll skip you and then you get at the end of the line, okay? Going to room 5. He said join.
Alrighty then,
Joel
thank you.
Taylor, good morning.
Morning.
You're going to room 6. Thank you. Martez Torrance, good morning. Martez Torrance, please unmute. Thank you. You're going to room 8. I'm sorry, 7. Paris Pickens, good morning. You are going to room 8. Please unmute, Mr. Pickens. All right, guys, if you're listening, please familiarize yourself with how to unmute your device. If you don't have background noise, you can go ahead and do that now. Mr. Pickens, you need to unmute. I see you raising your hand, but I need to test your audio. I need you to unmute. I've sent you a prompt. Okay, you're not connected to audio. Be with you in a minute. Fallon Patterson.
Good morning.
Good morning. All right. Ms. Patterson, let's see. You are going to room. Sorry, Paris Pickens just unmuted. Okay. He's having an audio issue. All right. All right, Ms. Patterson, you're going to room 8. Roderick Pope, good morning. Roderick Pope, good morning. Please unmute. Tornado Tut, please unmute.
Good morning, Mom.
Good morning. How are you this morning?
Good. Thank
Good.
you.
Going to room 9.
Thank you.
Sergeant McWhorter, good morning. I'm sending you to room 1.
All right. Good morning,
Thank
Your
you.
Honor.
Good morning. Attorney Ogletree, giving you co-host. I haven't had either of your clients check in yet, so you can hang out in room 2 to wait for city attorney if you'd like.
Thank you.
Attorney Werbling, good morning.
Good morning, Your Honor.
Officer has checked in on your case. I'm going to give
Okay.
you co-host. Client has not, but officer has.
Okay.
All right. You now have co-host. I'll move you to room 2 to see city attorney.
Thank
you. All right. On the Samsung device, I need a name, please. I'm asking you to unmute.
Carmen Perry,
Thank you. Carmen.
Karmen.
Thank you. When you have to come again, or if you do, just make sure you try to name your own device. That way you don't end up at the end, okay?
Okay.
All right. You're going to go to room 10. Go ahead and hit join, please. Martez Torrance, unmute, please. Martez Torrance and Roderick Pope, you need to unmute. Martez Torrance. Okay. Paris Pickens, are you able to hear me now? Paris Pickens. Roderick Pope. Mr. Pope, you keep muting yourself. You unmute and then you mute. Unmute. I have a device that just says Scott Weinberg. Please unmute.
Good morning. How are you?
I'm great, thanks. How are you?
Good. I'm here on a Pickford, I think it is. Hold on, let me see what the guy.
Okay.
It is on Pickford, Pickford. It's a ticket.
You have a first name for me?
Now that is
Or
asking.
first initial?
I gotta find it now.
Okay.
It is Cameron C. Is the city attorney around today?
She'll be in room 2. I'll put you in there in just a moment. She just came in. I'm actually just checking because I had a Cameron check in. Nope, that was someone else, Carmen. Okay.
This guy's not gonna be on.
Okay, very good.
Thank you.
City attorney is here, so you can get with her pretty quickly here.
Can you label me?
I just did.
Thank you.
And I'm gonna send you to room 2. That's where she'll meet you. Go ahead to room 2. City attorney will be there. Good morning, Attorney Johnson. And good morning, Attorney Horn.
Good morning, Judge. Good morning,
How are you
everyone.
this morning.
Very well. How are you, Judge?
I'm great, thanks.
Good.
You got a couple of folks waiting for you. One in room 2.
Okay. Let's see. All right.
All right, Paris Pickens, I need you to unmute. I've got you on 3 different devices now. I need you to unmute one of them and talk to me, please.
Can you hear me now?
I can. All right, so I got to take your other devices off.
No problem. I was just trying to correct my audio.
Thank you. I appreciate that. I just don't want to get rid of the one that's working, so I'm trying to be careful. Okay.
You're waiting for me.
Okay, Mr. Pickens, I'm going to get you into breakout room number 11. Go ahead and hit join for me, please.
Okay.
And then I've got Roderick Pope. Can you hear me yet? Okay. Mr. Pope, you've muted yourself again. Speak, Mr. Pope, please. Okay, I think you're not connected to audio. Look at your device. Well, you can't hear me if you're not connected to audio. Okay. Gotcha. Okay. All right, Madam Clerk, let's take a look at what we've got going on here. All right, Officer Turner, good morning.
Good morning, ma'am.
Which case are you here on, please?
I am here for, one second. I am here for Pearson's.
Pearson?
Yes.
Okay, I'm gonna get you into breakout room 1 to see the city attorney.
Thank you.
Mhm. All right, Madam Clerk, are you able to hear me? You're still muted.
Judge, this is clerk is a text real quick.
Okay, thank you. Oh, no. Carly Kavanaugh, good morning.
Good morning, and I apologies for my delay. I had some car troubles this morning.
That's okay. Which case are you here on?
Here on James Thomas.
Are you the attorney?
Yes.
What's your P number?
86281.
All right, placing you in, I'm going to go ahead and give you co-host so you can navigate back out when you need to. Then I'm going to put you in room 2. City attorney will be there shortly.
Thank you so
We've been
much.
talking to officers now.
Thank you.
Attorney Hijazi, good morning to you.
Good morning. How are you?
I'm great. Thanks. How are you this morning?
I'm awesome.
You are,
Hajazi,
I just gave you co-host, yes?
Hajazi, are you here on Trabuski or
Yes.
Trabuz? Blockading. McWhorter is here.
Okay. Yeah, we would like to move forward, Your Honor.
All right, I'll just go ahead and bring the order out.
Yeah, so that's
Sergeant McWhorter, please join the main session. Sergeant McWhorter, please join the main session.
Okay, I want to get more detail.
I'm sorry, what was? Oh, there we go. All right, calling ticket number SP 191-77761, City versus Mohammed Trabulsi.
Good morning.
Counsel.
Good morning, Your Honor. Rami Hijazi, P82830. On behalf of Mr. Trabulsi, I'd be requesting a waiver of his presence, Your Honor, this morning. I do have full authority. Prosecutor tendered an offer of blockading. At this time, I have full authority to enter a responsible plea on my client's behalf.
All right, thank you. Sergeant McWhorter, your appearance for the record, please.
Yeah, Master Sergeant Jason McWhorter,
Thank you.
Detroit Department.
Thank you. All right. Attorney Hijazi, you are making the admission to blockading traffic on your client's behalf?
Yes, Your Honor.
Okay. Admission is accepted, 175, 60 days to pay or get on a payment plan. Have a great day.
Thank you, Your Honor. Have a good day. Have a good
Thank
week.
you.
Have a good day, Your Honor.
Thank you. Thank you both. Martel Piguis, good morning.
Good morning.
I'm going to place you in a breakout room to see an attorney before I hear your matter. If you know you need to gather documents, please use your time while you're waiting to do that. Don't use the help button. We can see you're waiting. They're making their way to you as quickly as they can, okay?
Okay.
Thank you. Room 12, please hit join. I'm sorry, guys. I didn't mean to mute everybody, but apparently I did. Madam Clerk, did you run an SOS on Deshaun Tillman in room 4? Oh, thank
Yes,
you. Thank you. Gotcha. I just saw it. On the iPhone that just entered, please unmute. Give me your name or I will have to remove you. I need you to unmute. I've sent you a prompt to unmute. Please unmute. What is your name, please?
Calvin Pearson?
Calvin?
Yes.
One moment. Madam Clerk, do you see Calvin Pearson?
Yes, he's at 9:30 for trial.
Okay, the officer is here. Thank you. Does he have assigned counsel?
No.
Thank you. All right, Mr. Pearson, I'm going to get you into a breakout room so that you can see an attorney before I hear your matter. You're going to room 13. Please hit join and wait patiently there. Do not use the help button. The attorney is making his way to you. Room 13.
Okay.
What happened to Miss Powell in room 3? She just left. Attorney Werbling, good morning again. Are you ready on potty?
Ready, Your Honor.
All right, thank you. I'm going to bring the I thought I had an officer here on that one. She must have released them. Okay. Madam Clerk, are you able to call the cases?
Yes, Your Honor, I'm ready.
Okay, would you call potty, please?
For Red One Patty SX 468-6451, count 1, improper lane use.
Thank you. Counsel, I'm sorry, I have to unmute you. Something I've done today. Go ahead, please.
Judge
I'm
Ben
gonna-
Werbling, P64889 on behalf of Mr. Patty. Judge, I have the authority to accept the offer to impeding traffic.
Thank you. All right, your admission will be accepted
Sure.
on your client's behalf. In-person appearances waived to your client. Fine is $175 on the blockading, 60 days to pay it in full or get on a payment plan.
Thank you, Judge. Have a wonderful holiday.
Have a great day. Thank you.
You too. Thank you.
Bye-bye. All right, and then I have Attorney Kavanaugh on James Thomas. Trooper Butchkaya, good morning. I'm going to get you into room 1 to see the city attorney. She's in there now.
Good morning. Thank you.
Or she's in room 2, sorry. Okay. Madam Clerk, if you would call the James Thomas matter, please.
For James Maurice Thomas, SP 189-0105, count 1, brandishing firearm.
Thank you. Attorney Kavanaugh, your appearance, please.
Good morning, Carly Kavanaugh, P86281 on behalf of Mr. James Thomas. I am asking the court to waive his appearance for purposes of this hearing. We're just setting a trial date.
Okay, that is granted. And then what is our next trial date, Madam Clerk?
July 20th at 9:30.
Does that work for you, Attorney Kavanaugh?
So this case, there's also a felony case that's kind of interacted with this case. That his trial for that one is scheduled on the 27th of July. So I'm just wondering if we could possibly schedule this after that one.
Yep, let's push it out. I don't know. I don't want to go too much farther than that, Madam Clerk, but if we could get after July 27th.
We can do the next day, July 28th, or any day that week.
Maybe the 29th, just to be safe in case it's a 2-day trial.
Yep, okay. We'll set it for July 29th at 9:30.
Thank you so much. Are those in person or on Zoom?
We can do Zoom if it's not jury.
Okay, thank you so much.
Thank you. Have a good day. All right, I have Sierra Michelle Powell. Good morning to you again.
Good morning.
All right. Thank you for going out to get your registration and your insurance. All right, Madam Clerk. Here, Ms. Powell, I'm a little bit worried about moving you back to a breakout room, but I'm going to move you just so I can view your documents. Let's go to room 3. Please
Okay.
go ahead and join.
Okay.
Good morning, Shantanique Parks.
Good morning.
You're in the wrong courtroom. You're scheduled for courtroom 220.
Okay.
I can't remember the meeting ID number. If you go back on 36districtcourt.org and look under traffic, you will look for courtroom 220.
That's not on the list.
Okay, let's see.
Like I'm positive. I'm looking at it right now. Under traffic, it gives me docket, pre-hearing, another docket.
It may say informal.
Does it say informal hearing?
Yes, okay. Thank you.
You're welcome.
Be ready on Sierra Powell next. Right, would you call the Sierra Powell matter, please? Deshaun Tillman, were you in room 4? All right, ready on Powell.
Sierra Michelle Powell, SP 1914856, counts 1, 2, and 3, failed to display a valid operator's license, no insurance misdemeanor, expired plates, and SP 1914901, count 1, no valid registration civil.
Thank you. Ms. Powell, just state your name for the record, please. Oh, you're muted. Go ahead and unmute.
Sierra Michelle Powell.
Thank you. Okay. Ms. Powell, court having reviewed all of your valid documentation, I am dismissing your tickets at this time. Have a great day.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Bye-bye.
Bye.
Hey, Attorney Johnson. Are you muted? All right, Mr. Tillman, I'm going to get you back in room 4. Can you hear me?
Yes, I can.
Okay, great. I'm going to get you in room 4 and Mr. Johnson will be right there to see you, okay?
Okay, thank you.
Attorney Johnson, please let me know if you can hear me. I think you might be muted.
Good morning, Your Honor. Yes, I can hear you now.
Okay, thanks. I tried to go through because you're working by yourself and put some notes on the room name so you don't have to look for offers, if I can stay ahead of you. On Mr. Tillman, his license is valid, but he doesn't have insurance. Mr. Tillman, you need to go to room 4, please, to see Attorney Johnson. Please join the breakout room.
I don't really know how to do that. I thought be shifted right there.
Mr. Tillman, ever since I've seen you this morning, you've been doing other things, walking, doing all kinds of things. If you're second in line and now you're about to be last in line just because I can't keep your attention, I'm going to do it again. Room 4, please hit join.
I don't see that option. Oh, there you go. It's probably my phone.
It's
So,
just delayed. Okay, turn your camera off if your sound is too delayed. That'll help.
okay. I'm here. Well, it say join. I'm joining. Excuse me. I'm trying to join. Pressing join. I don't think it's letting me join.
Okay, I can hear you, but I don't know why that is. I don't know what to do other than send you an invitation to join or to say Pickford 1 to 5 speed. Okay, thank you. Thank you.
I
Ms.
think
Moore.
Weinberg might be juggling.
Okay,
Okay, I'll be back, Judge. Thank you.
thank you. Yep, he got skipped. Be right with you, Attorney Ogletree. Okay, Attorney Ogletree.
Yes, good morning, Your Honor.
Good morning.
Yeah, I went through the different breakout rooms. I didn't see my clients.
I don't either.
I know Mr. Tinsley, he wanted to ask for a bench trial date, but Mr. Thomas, I don't have any contact information for.
Okay, give me just 1 minute. I'll do Pegues and then we'll get you set up. Madam
All right,
Clerk,
thank you.
could you please call Martel Pegues? Mr. Pegues, I need you to sit up, please.
For Martell Pegues Jr., SP 1913245, counts 1 and 2, no insurance misdemeanor, and then no proof of insurance civil.
Thank you. Mr. Geese, just state your name for the record, please.
Martell Biggies Jr.
Thank you. Court having reviewed your valid insurance documents, your tickets are dismissed. Have a good day.
All right. Thank you.
You're welcome. Bye-bye. All right. Ogletree, you said you want to get a trial date on Tinsley.
Yes, he wants a bench trial day.
All right, Madam Clerk, what's our next bench trial date?
July 20th at 9:30.
Okay, let me just double check. That's fine.
Okay, great. So we'll do Tinsley for that day. You want me to push Robert Thomas? Well, it's still pretty early. If he doesn't appear, have you tried to make contact with him? When's the last time you've had any contact?
There's no contact information I have for him.
Oh, you don't have any contact information. All right. Well, how would you, I'm assuming you want to move on to your next courtroom. How would you like us to handle Mr. Thomas if he logs in today?
I would like to schedule for a final pretrial conference.
Okay.
Possible.
All right, we'll go ahead and schedule the Robert Thomas matter for final pretrial. Madam Clerk, what's that date, please?
July 13th at, we can do 8:30. Ogletree is always here early.
Okay,
Is it possible to do the 15th? Because I'm already going to be here on the 15th.
Sure. As long as it's okay with Madam Clerk. Madam Clerk, is that okay?
Yes, that's fine. July 15th.
July 15th, 8:30 a.m. and Tinsley scheduled for trial July 20th at 9:30.
Okay, I'm going to check back in. I'm going to log off now, but I'm going to check back in and see if he's shows.
Okay, sounds good. Thanks.
Thank you. And
She didn't give me an offer on Pearson. All right, I have a device that just says Zoom user. I need you to unmute and give me a name or I'll have to remove you.
D'Angelo Tinsley, I don't know. Is this my phone?
I've got, not you, Mr. Pinckney. Wait, please.
Is it D'Angelo Tinsley?
Mr. Tinsley, your attorney just appeared on your behalf, said you wanted a trial date. You're scheduled for July 20th at 9:30 a.m.
July 20th?
9:30. Just log back in like you did today.
Well, I can't do July 20th. So can I just see what kind of plea I could take today?
All right, you've changed your mind and you would like to take a plea or like to at least hear about one.
Yes.
Okay. All right, well, your attorney stepped out because he was waiting for you, so he'll be back with you in a moment when he gets back.
Okay, I can't do July 20th.
I mean, we can give you another trial date if that's what you need.
Yeah, I could try that. I could do that. But
All right, hold on, Mr. Tinsley.
Yes, ma'am.
All right, Attorney Weinberg, on Pickford, you have an offer of 1 to 5 speed. City attorney said she wasn't able to talk to you when she was in the room.
Right. I had to go to another Zoom. Yeah, we're going to take that.
Okay, thank you. Madam Clerk, would you call the Pickford matter, please?
okay. For Cameron James Pickford, SX 4708878, counts 1 and 2, speeding on the freeway 25 plus over and illegal window tint.
Thank you. Attorney Weinberg, your parents.
Thank you, Your Honor. Scott Weinberg, P4 5874 on behalf of Mr. Pickford, who I have authority to accept responsibility.
All right, thank you. Offer is 1 to 5 speed. You accept making that admission on your client's behalf?
Yes, Your Honor.
Tinted windows will be dismissed. Okay, court will accept your admission. The fine is $125, 60 days to get it paid in full or get on a payment plan. Mr. Taylor, I'm getting ready to call your case. All right. All right, Mr. Weinberg, 60 days. Okay.
Thank you, Judge.
Thank you. Bye-bye. Would you please call the Joel Taylor matter, Madam Clerk?
Okay, just a second.
Okay. I can wait, Mr. Taylor, if you need to answer a door or something like that, if you need a minute. It's okay.
No, I was just
Okay.
moving around.
All right. Thank you.
Joel Thomas Taylor, SP 1913095, count 1, disorderly public intoxication.
Thank you. Mr. Taylor, just state your name for the record, please.
Joel Taylor.
Thank you. All right. Looks like the charge is disorderly conduct. You're going to be pleading guilty or pleading no contest to that under a 3-month delayed sentence. I just need to make sure that you understand that pleading no contest does have the same consequences as a guilty plea. Do you understand that?
Yes.
Okay. Thank you. Mr. Pinckney, I really need you to just be still. That's really distracting when I'm trying to talk.
Oh,
Things are
okay.
moving all
I
around.
I was trying to get my phone straight. All right.
Thank you. Mr. Taylor, you understand that a no contest plea does have the same consequences as a guilty plea.
Yes.
And you do understand that you have the right to a trial and the rights that you would have at a trial.
Yes.
Okay. And you do not wish to proceed to trial today, understanding that if I take this plea, there will not be a trial.
Yes.
Okay. Thank you. And are we using, looks like from the notes, we're going to use the face of the ticket to establish the plea. I'll go ahead and do that now. Your fine is going to be $190. Okay. And you are pleading no contest at this time. Is that correct?
Yes.
Thank you, Madam Clerk. Would you please at least read the date and location into the record?
May 16th, 2026, Woodward and East Adams.
Thank you. Your fine is $190, 60 days to either get it paid in full or, I'm sorry, 90 days to get it paid in full. Okay. As long as you pay the fine in 90 days, don't get any similar tickets, we'll go ahead and dismiss this ticket on the 90th day. If you get another ticket or you don't get it paid, then you have to come back and see me. Madam Clerk, what's our 90-day date, please?
September 28th at 8:30.
Okay, only if you need to. All right.
Okay.
Okay. Have a good day, Mr. Taylor.
Yeah. Thank you.
Mhm. Okay, Mr. Pinckney, you have appointed counsel who will be here shortly. I'm going to go ahead and get you into a breakout room so that he can find you when he gets here. You're going to go to room 3.
Okay.
All right. And then Mr. Tinsley, do you have a number for Ogletree?
No, I do not.
No, not you. I'm asking, I'm so sorry. Asking Madam Clerk. Madam Clerk, do you have a number for Ogletree?
Yes.
Okay. Would you just send him a quick note saying we need another date on Tinsley as close to the, Mr. Tinsley, are you able to do the dates around the 20th?
Yes.
Okay, just not that day. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Would you see if Ogletree has another day right around there where we can set Mr. Tinsley's trial date?
Okay, I'm calling him now.
Thank you.
Your Honor, would it be any way that I could just take the 1-2 tickets that you was gonna give me, the 2 tickets that you was gonna give me and take the plea?
Well, Mr. Tinsley, you're represented by counsel at this point.
Okay.
Let me try to see. I'm going to look at what the offer was in your case. I don't see an offer here on the matter anymore, so I don't know what it is. You're going to have to wait.
Okay.
He may be in another courtroom. I left him a message. I'll also send him an email. My email is back working.
All right. If you would get ready on the Tillman matter, please. And then I have Calvin Pearson, which is going to be a dismissal, is set for trial, no recall. So Tillman and Pearson.
Okay. Okay.
Okay, it's okay.
Okay, who were the two people?
Tillman, Tillmon, and
Okay.
Pearson, Calvin Pearson.
Okay, I'm ready.
Okay, let's do Tillman first, please. I need to pull Pearson out.
For Deshaun Tillman, SP 1227057, counts 1, 2, and 3, driver license suspended, failed to signal civil, and no insurance misdemeanor.
Thank you. All right, Mr. Tillman, please activate your camera.
Okay.
Oh, yeah, you were having audio issues. Okay, so that's okay. I understand you're going to be pleading guilty to 1 count of improper plates, dismissal of all others. Is that consistent with your understanding? Mr. Tillman, can you hear me?
Yeah. I said yeah.
Mr. Tillman, the way your audio is coming through is not going to work. I need you to move to a different area, then say something so we can see if it's clear. I can't take your plea in this way.
Okay. Can you hear me?
Yes, I can. All right. Mr.
Okay.
Tillman, it
Yes,
appears
I
you're going to
said
be
yes.
pleading guilty to 1 count of improper plates, everything else being dismissed. Is that consistent with your understanding?
Yes, ma'am.
Did anyone promise you anything else to get you to plead guilty today?
No.
Did anyone force, threaten, or coerce you into a guilty plea today?
No.
Are you pleading guilty because you are guilty?
Yeah.
Did counsel advise you that you have the right to a trial and the rights that you would have at a trial?
Yes.
Do you understand you won't have those rights if I accept your plea today because there will not be a trial?
Yes.
Please raise your right hand. Do you swear to tell the truth?
Yes.
Thank you. Madam Clerk, may I have a date and location, please?
August 9th, 2021, Schoolcraft and Artesian.
Thank you. Sir, is it true that at that date and location in the city of Detroit, you were operating a vehicle without proper plates due to a lack of insurance?
Yes.
Thank you. Your fine is $190. You have 60 days to either pay it in full or get on a payment plan with the cashiers on the first floor. Okay?
Okay, thank you.
Have a good day. Mr. Tinsley, I haven't forgotten about you. As soon as we hear back from Attorney Ogletree, we'll get you done.
Yes, sir. Yes, Your Honor.
Thank you. What happened to Calvin Pearson? Madam Clerk, would you go ahead and call the Calvin Pearson matter? It's a dismissal. Sergeant Oravets, I'm going to send you to room 1. City Attorney will come there to see you shortly.
Okay, thank you, ma'am.
I want to get the Pearson matter called and dismissed. I don't know what happened to him.
For Calvin Dion Pearson, SP 1900532, count 1, open alcohol in a motor vehicle passenger.
Thank you. For the record, Mr. Pearson was previously present by Zoom. One moment, I've got people coming in. All right. If you were just admitted and your name is Calvin Pearson, please speak up.
Yes, I'm here.
Okay, thank you, Mr. Pearson. We're calling your matter. State your name for the record, please.
Calvin Pearson.
I don't know who I'm looking at on a Motorola. What is your name, please?
My name is Calvin Pearson.
Okay, Mr. Pearson, I'm sorry. That's my fault. All right.
Okay.
Mr. Pearson, the officer who was scheduled subpoenaed to appear for your trial today did appear and stated that he had no recollection of the events, which is required if he's going to be the main witness at trial. Therefore, your matter is being dismissed with prejudice. Have a good day.
Thank you.
Bye-bye.
Bye.
All right, there we go on the Motorola. What's your name?
This is Roderick Pope. I
okay.
had to go in another way.
Good. I'm glad you did. Okay. Let me get you into a breakout room so the attorney can come see you.
Okay, thank you.
Denzel Taylor, please unmute. Let me see, I'm going to remove the device that's not working, Mr. Pope, so that I'm not
Thank you.
confused.
Yes, hello.
Hi, okay, be right with you, Mr. Taylor.
Uh.
Mr. Pope, join room 12. Join room 12, please. All right, Mr. Taylor, the officer who was subpoenaed for your case is here. We'll get you into a breakout room. Have you spoken to an attorney at all outside of court?
No.
Okay, so an attorney will come in and see you before I hear your matter, okay?
Okay, thank you.
Mhm. All right, you're going to go to room 13. Go ahead and hit join, Mr. Taylor. Do you remember who was in room 7?
No.
Okay, it's okay. Johnson will have record of it. He's been there already. Officer Hofer, good morning. You have that you're here for Jenkins, but Jenkins would not be on my docket.
Yeah, I'm here for Samoya Price. I'm just about to change my name.
I'll do it for you. It's okay.
Oh, thank you.
And I'll get you into breakout room number 1 to see the city attorney. She stepped away, but she'll be back.
All right, thank you.
Mhm. Okay, room 1. Attorney Johnson, the SOS results are in the room name. Offer on room 8 is simply to blockading. Is Attorney Johnson working in another courtroom today?
No, as far as I know, just us.
Hey, Samoya Price, good morning.
Good morning.
Have you spoken with an attorney outside of court at all?
No, I just logged in. I thought it started at 9:30.
No, that's okay. I'm asking you outside of your court date. Have you spoken with an attorney?
No.
Okay, thank you. Okay, the officer is here. I'm going to get you into a breakout room so you can meet with the attorney before I hear your matter. You're going to room 14. Please hit join. Okay. Ms. Patterson, please unmute. Activate your camera, please. Thank you. All right. I know, right, the offer in your case is to blockading traffic. Can you turn on a light? Are you?
Yeah, I'm sorry.
That's
One
okay.
second. I'll open my curtain.
Okay. Maybe you're having AC issues like I am. Okay. Attorney Whitey, good morning.
Morning, Judge. How are you?
I'm good. How are you?
Real good, real good. Here on Dennis Pinkney.
He's in room 3.
Okay, I'll go talk to him. Thank you.
Thanks. Okay, so Ms. Patterson, I brought you out because you have an offer just to a civil infraction. They're going to dismiss the misdemeanors and give you blockading traffic, which is as good as it gets in traffic court outside of a dismissal.
Right.
Zero points, does not report to your insurance. If you want to take that, then we can go ahead and do that now.
Okay.
All right. Madam Clerk, would you please call the Fallon Patterson matter, and then we'll call Paris Pickens.
For Fallon Jacole Patterson, SP 1910984, count one, failed to display a valid operator's license in a construction zone. And SP 1910927, counts one, two, and three, disregard red signal, construction zone, no proof of insurance, civil, no valid registration, civil.
Thank you. All right, Ms. Patterson, state your name for the record.
Fallon Patterson.
Thank you. We can see that you do have a license now. The offer is to give you blockading, dismiss everything else. Blockading is $175 fine, 0 points, does not report out to insurance. Would you like to accept that offer?
Absolutely.
Okay. All right. So it's 175. Give you 60 days to do one of two things: pay it off in full or see the cashiers on the first floor of the courthouse for a longer term payment plan if you need one, but you have to do it before the 60 days runs out. Okay.
Okay, gotcha.
All right. Have a great day.
Thank you, you as well.
Bye-bye. Mr. Pickens, go ahead and unmute, please. Start your camera. How are you this morning?
I'm doing well. How are you?
Good. You were charged with careless driving and a number of other things. The offer is 1 to 5 limited access, which is a 0 ticket. So it saves you points from that careless. If you want to admit to that, then I can take it right now. But if you want to speak to the attorney first, I can put you back in your breakout room.
Could I talk to him first? Because
Yep, I'll put you back in your room. Okay, so I'm going to move you twice. Just watch for me to move you.
Okay.
Join that room, and then you're going to join again to 11.
Okay, thank you.
Okay, Attorney Ogletree has responded. He's available Wednesday, the 22nd, Thursday, the 23rd, or Friday, the 24th for,
Okay.
Mr. Tinsley.
Mr. Tinsley, unmute. Can you do Wednesday, the 22nd?
Yes.
Okay, Wednesday, July 22nd, 9:30 a.m. Log in here.
Yes, ma'am.
Have a good day.
You too.
Attorney Wood, I'm going to give you co-host. You've missed the city attorney, unfortunately, but she will be back.
Your Honor, I'm not here for anybody today. I've got a case up July 1st that's still pending up in circuit court. I taught on a gun board case. We can't do anything. Just seeing if I can get a quick adjournment.
Yeah, this will be the second adjournment on this one. I
This
think
will be the second adjournment. I talked with the attorney on the circuit court case on Friday. They're figuring out if they got the gun board letter in correctly, and we won't be able to do anything on Wednesday. I just wanted to see if I could get it adjourned 2 more weeks.
Okay, Madam Clerk, is it Marlon Parker that's your client?
It is.
Okay, I need a second.
And I'm sorry for bothering you this morning, Your Honor.
It's okay. Okay, Attorney Whitey.
Yes, Judge, we're just going to set our matter for bench trial. Do you want me to bring them out?
Yep, thank you.
Okay, I'm ready for Marlon Parker.
Okay, we're just setting a new date, so 2 weeks out.
Yep, on both cases, and then hopefully I won't have to appear again like this, Your Honor.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Okay. That will be July 15th at 8:30.
Thank you, Your Honor. Have a wonderful day, everyone.
Have a great one.
Appreciate it.
Bye-bye. All right, Mr. Tutt, you keep coming in and out. I don't know why. All right, let's call the Pinckney matter whenever you're ready, Madam Clerk.
The who?
Pinckney. I have Dennis Pinckney.
Okay. Okay, for Dennis DeMont Pinckney, Z8100441, operating while intoxicated, first offense city.
Thank you. Right, counsel.
Good morning, Your Honor. Dennis Whitey, P79560, on behalf of Dennis Pinckney. Please state your full name for the record, Mr. Pinckney.
Dennis DeMont Pinckney.
And Your Honor, today's the day and time set for pre-trial of this matter. I've discussed my client's rights with him, his right to a jury trial versus bench trial, or working it out. My client wishes to avail his right to a bench trial and waive his right to a jury trial.
All right, thank you. Our next bench trial date is, I think, July 20th.
Yes.
At 9:30, does that work for you?
Judge, do you by chance have the 21st?
Can we do that, Madam Clerk?
Yes.
Okay.
That'd be much better. Thank you.
July 21st at 9:30 a.m., guys.
Okay, thank you so much.
You're
I'll
welcome.
see
Have
you
a great
on
day. All right.
Take care.
You too.
Bye, Ms. Pinkney. Take care.
All right, 9:30. Yep. Thank you.
Okay,
July
great.
21st.
Thanks. Bye-bye. Then we
And
have
you-
Tornado Tut. As long as I still have him, he's coming in and out on a couple devices. Mr. Tut, if you can hear me, unmute, start your video.
Yes, ma'am.
All right, thank you. Whenever you are
Donato?
ready. Uh-huh.
Can y'all hear me?
Yeah, Mr. Tut, I need you to start your camera, please.
Yes, ma'am. I just had switched to my computer, so just a little.
Okay. Thank you. Okay, Madam Clerk.
Okay, Donato Jerome Tut Jr., SP 1554472, counts 1 and 2, failed to display a valid operator's license and 6 to 10 miles per hour over posted speed.
Thank you. All right, Mr. Tut, I understand you're going to be pleading guilty to one count of failure to display a valid license with the other charge being dismissed. Is that consistent with your understanding?
Yes, ma'am.
Anybody promise you anything else to get you to plead guilty today?
No, ma'am.
Did anyone force, threaten, or coerce you into a guilty plea today?
No, ma'am.
Are you pleading guilty because you are guilty?
Yes, ma'am.
Did counsel advise you that you have the right to a trial and the rights that you would have at a trial?
Yes, ma'am.
And do you understand you won't have those rights if I accept your plea today because there will not be a trial?
Yes, ma'am.
Please raise your right hand and swear or affirm that you will tell the truth today.
I swear
Thank you.
that I will tell the truth.
Thank you. Madam Clerk, may I have a date and location, please?
February 19, 2024, Evergreen and Linden.
Mr. Tut, is it true that at that date and location in the city of Detroit, you were operating a vehicle and could not display a valid license to the officer upon request?
Yes, ma'am.
Thank you. Your fine is going to be $190. You have 60 days in which you can pay it in full or get on a payment plan with the cashiers on the first floor. If you're getting on a payment plan, you must start that payment plan by giving them their down payment before the 60 days runs out. Okay?
Yes, ma'am. That sounds great.
All right. Have a great day.
Thank you so
Scott,
much. Have a
one
great
moment.
day.
Madam Clerk, one moment.
Honor, really quick for the record, the speeding ticket was closed already on April 29th, 2026.
Okay, thank you. So it looks like, what was the speed there?
6 to 10 over from February 2024.
Okay, from 24. Okay, thank you. So, Mr. Tut, you've already paid that to the speeding ticket, so we just reduced the license ticket to failure to display.
That's why I was confused on this one because I thought I paid as well. So
Yeah, I think what happens is with civil infractions like the speeding is, once they get to a certain age, I can't really do anything with them. So sometimes they'll take those payments, but for misdemeanors like the license ticket, then they give you a court date. So they treat them differently. That's what happens.
okay, yes, ma'am. Thank you for
Okay.
explaining that.
All right, have a great day.
You too. Bye.
Okay.
Hey, they're just checking in. Y'all need me to zoom
Yes.
in?
Yes, we do.
Okay.
I was just
All right.
sending you a text, sorry.
Okay, no, thank you, Judge.
You've got two officers in your officer waiting room and both of the defendants are here, Denzel Taylor and Samoya Price.
Okay, thank you, Judge.
Trials, I'll run their SOS.
Okay, I'll wait for those two.
Okay. I usually do those last.
No, it's okay, because sometimes they don't show up.
Yeah.
And then I'll zoom off in the other courtroom. I just wanted to come down here and make sure. Yeah.
Oh, you asked for an SOS, Attorney Horn, on Roderick Pope before you make your offer. He is here. He'll be coming up pretty quickly. So, Madam Clerk, if we could provide Attorney Horn the SOS on Roderick Pope as well.
Okay.
Thank you. And then I can just rename the room, Ms. Horn, if you have an offer.
Okay, thank you. All right, let's take a look here. Yeah, I always do that. Every time I leave, I know I need to have something. Thank you. Okay. All right, what's he got going on here? So he's got reckless. From the back. So he just had open antennas. Your Honor, Mr. Pope is reckless as charged and dismiss the balance
Okay.
after review of the SOS. He can try to take a class or something.
Okay.
Thank you, Judge. And then all right. Let me put my note there too. Class. We got a valid license. Roderick Pope. Was that Roderick? Who was that? Oh, this is
Denzel Taylor.
Oh.
Okay, I just erased
Roderick
it.
Pope. Still correct. Yep.
Reckless
Yes,
as charged for class.
For Pope.
Yeah. So
And
reckless
then
as charged, or take a class and see if he can get something better when he comes back.
Yes, Your Honor.
Okay.
Let me see. So suspended, still suspended. So stop for stopping. Oh, that's the one. That's the one. That's Taylor, the one I just read.
Is it Ahmed? Please unmute. I need a name, full name.
All of it's here.
I'm sorry,
You
sir.
have to get.
Ahmed Thomas.
Thank you.
I'm sorry, it was connected to my headphones. I have them on.
It's okay. All right, I'm gonna get you into a breakout room. An attorney will be there to see you shortly.
Okay.
Price hands, disregard red signals.
Room 15, please hit join.
Ahmed Thomas is scheduled for this afternoon at 1:30.
No, I talked to the officer.
Oh, Tom, he's at 1:30. What's the charge, please?
We just got that. So I can't remember. Proof of access.
Madam Clerk, can you tell me the charges to Ahmed Thomas?
Yeah, he has different court dates. I'm trying to see.
Oh, okay, thank you.
Speeding 21 to 25 over. Expired plates, civil. And no insurance misdemeanor.
All right. I'll go see if he has his plates and insurance, if Ms. Horn wants to take a look at the speeding one.
I'll be back. Pre-hearing scheduled too.
Yeah, I don't have an offer on Taylor or Price. I gotta talk to the officers. All right.
Oh, he has other stuff. That.
Okay, Ahmed Thomas just needs a return date, so no point in dealing with his file right now. We just need to get him a date. Try to get his docs together.
All right, did you speak to him already?
Yes, he does not have insurance or registration.
Okay, so like he has the same cases, like unsafe manner, no insurance, scheduled for a pre-hearing on July 16th. So
Okay, I'm gonna bring him. Just let me bring him out.
Okay.
What's our normal return date?
2 weeks from today, the 13th.
And he's
July
scheduled now
13th.
he's scheduled now for the 16th.
He has 2 cases scheduled for July 16th, pre-hearing 218, and then he has 3 cases scheduled this afternoon in here.
Okay.
So should I all 5 cases? Well, and then he has 3 more cases that don't have court dates at all. They're all pending.
Okay, let's just bring them all together and bring them all here.
6, 7, 8. That'll be 8 tickets that we can schedule for one day, which will be July 17th.
Okay, Mr. Thomas.
I'm sorry, July 13th.
Thank you, Mr. Thomas. Did you hear that?
Yes.
Is that in 2 weeks, Madam Clerk?
Yes.
Okay, so we're going to bring you back July 13th. You have a bunch of cases we're going to put all together so city attorney can view them all at once.
Yes.
If you can get yourself some more time even on that date, but try to get your documents together, okay?
Okay.
All right, have a good day.
July 17th, what time?
No, July 13th. Sorry, I know you heard a few different dates. July 13th.
Okay.
Okay,
What time?
at 8:30 in the morning.
Okay, thank you.
I'm in here. Okay, have a good day.
Yep, no problem.
Bye. Attorney Ogletree, I'm going to give you co-host again. Madam Clerk is in the courtroom if you need her.
I was just trying to check to see if Robert Thomas had appeared. I've already spoke to Mr. Tinsley, so
No.
I know the trial date.
Yeah, nope, Robert Thomas. Well, let me just make sure. Check my memory. No, he did not appear. So what we'll do is, what was that date we scheduled? Well, did we give Mr. Thomas a pretrial date already? Yeah, we did. July 15th. So we'll just keep it at July 15th.
All right, thank you.
Okay, all right, bye. Then, Madam Clerk, whenever you are ready, we're ready on Paris Pickens.
For Paris Charles Von Pickens, SP 1914432, count 1, no insurance misdemeanor, and SP 1914419, counts 1, 2, and 3, careless driving, expired plate civil, and no valid registration civil.
Thank you, Mr. Pickens. Good morning to you.
Good morning.
State your name for the record, please.
Paris Charles Vaughn Pickens.
Okay, thank you. Once again, the offer was to have you admit to 1 to 5 over limited access, a 0-point ticket. Everything else would be dismissed. Is that all consistent with your understanding?
Yes.
Did anyone promise you anything else to get you to plead guilty today?
No.
Did anyone force, threaten, or coerce you into a guilty plea today?
No.
I'm sorry, this is just a civil infraction, so you're just making an admission. Please raise your right hand, swear or affirm that you're going to tell the truth.
I'm going to tell the truth.
Thank you, Madam Clerk. Would you please give me the date and location for Mr. Pickens, the civil?
May 15th, 2026, Tyerman in Ohio.
Thank you. Mr. Pickens, is it true that at that date and location in the city of Detroit, you were going at least 1 mile per hour over the posted speed limit?
No, that's not true.
All right, we'll just take the original charge, Madam Clerk. What was the original charge? It was careless, is that correct?
Yes.
Okay, so you're charged with careless driving, Mr. Pickens, so you can either Tell me that you were going 1 mile per hour over the posted speed limit, or tell me what you were doing in terms of careless driving.
Yes, I was.
I mean, I'm not telling you what to say. I'm asking you to tell the truth, which you swore to do.
Oh,
So
sorry.
were you going 1 mile per hour over the posted speed limit, or were you engaged in careless driving?
I don't believe that I was personally.
Okay, well then that's not a plea. And so you need to go back in and speak to the attorney. I'm going to have you go back because you are getting in.
I'll take the plea. I'll take the plea. I'm sorry. I'll
Mr.
take the plea.
Pickens, now you have to see the attorney again. All right, you have to see the attorney again.
Okay.
I'll have him revisit you. I'm going to move you. 15 and then back to 11. Go to 15, please. Zoom user unmute. Give me a name, please, or I'll have to remove you.
Robert Thomas.
All right, Mr. Thomas, your attorney has been looking for you. He's been here twice. You're quite late. You've got a date to come back now, July 15th at 8:30 a.m.
Okay.
Thank you. Madam Clerk, please make a note. Robert Thomas did appear. Final pretrial, July 15th, 8:30 a.m. Sir, you need to be on time.
I'm having problems getting into the zone.
Okay. Do you have a phone number or an email or anything where counsel can reach you? He said he's been trying to reach you outside of court and has not been able to.
I gave him my email last time.
Okay, give it. I'm sending you a chat now. Respond to my chat, please. With your email address and a phone number, please, if you have one. Are you able to see the chat that I sent you?
Yes.
Okay, go ahead and put your email address and your phone number in there, please. Is Attorney Horn still in the courtroom?
No, she left.
My phone number not. I don't have an active phone number. I had a minute phone plan and it ran out.
Okay. All right, well, we'll send a note to the attorney to please contact you by email, but he's going to need to talk to you about your case at some point somehow. So July 15th at 8:30, we'll see you back here. Just zoom in, okay?
Okay.
All right, have a good day. Bye-bye. Attorney Johnson, please revisit room 11. Attorney Johnson, please revisit room 11 at your convenience. Thank you.
Okay, thank you, Judge. I'll go in and talk to the officers. Let's see.
Morning, counsel.
Morning, Judge.
All right, just gave you co-host. Attorney Horn is in room 1, just went into room 1 with the officers.
Thank you.
Uh-huh. Okay, Mr. Pickens, I'm gonna have Mr. Johnson come out with us. Attorney Johnson, main session, please. Attorney Johnson, main session, please. All right. I just wanted to have you with me while we do Mr. Pickens, and then did Mr. Pope decide to take a class?
Let's see, Pope. If he's no longer there, he requested a court-appointed attorney, Your Honor, and I gave him a new date.
Okay, thanks. All right. Madam Clerk, would you recall the Pickens matter when you're ready?
Okay, Parish Charles Von Pickens, SP 1914432, count 1, no insurance misdemeanor, and SP 1914419, counts 1, 2, and 3, careless driving, expired plate civil, no valid registration civil.
All right, thank you. Attorney Johnson?
Rodney Johnson, B78121, appearing on behalf and with Mr. Pickens, who is appearing via Zoom. Sir, state your name for the record again.
Paris Charles Von Pickens.
Thank you. Your Honor, today is date and time for a pretrial and hearing. I had an opportunity to advise Mr. Pickens of his rights. Also had an opportunity to go over the information once again. He is going to waive his rights to any trial or formal hearing and ask that the following plea is adopted from the Assistant Corporation Counsel. Ticket ending in 419, count 1 will be a plea to careless, but ask that is amended to limited access 1 to 5 miles per hour over a 0-point offense, and all remaining matters will be dismissed.
Thank you. All right, Mr. Pickens, does that sound correct to you?
Yes.
And you, Madam Clerk, may I have the date and location on the careless driving, please?
May 15th, 2026, Tireman and Ohio.
All right. Mr. Pickens, are you admitting that you were either driving carelessly at that date and location or that you were exceeding the speed limit by at least 1 mile per hour?
Yes, I was.
All right, thank you. The fine is going to be $125. You have 60 days to get it paid or to get on a payment plan with the cashiers if you need one. You do that by going to the first floor and giving them a down payment. You must at least give them the down payment within the 60 days to keep your deal, and you got a pretty good one today. So make sure you stay on top of that, okay?
Okay. Am I able to pay the ticket online as well?
You may pay it online. Don't try to pay it today. Wait until tomorrow.
Okay, thank you.
Okay, have a great day. Thanks. Okay, Attorney Johnson, you've got your offers on those 2 trial cases in the room titles.
Yes.
Officers are here, so let you deal with those.
All right.
Thank you.
Thank you.
She's in room 2 if you need her, it looks like. I don't know for sure, but the offers are on the room.
Okay. Thank you.
I'm here. Okay, he's saying he needs an offer, Attorney Horn, on Denzel Taylor. I did put I know you put your offer in the room title, so maybe he's looking for a revised offer.
Comes. He hasn't spoken with me. I mean, I'm waiting for him in the room too.
I saw you. Yeah, he's in
Yep.
room 13. I let him know that your offers were written on the room title. But looks like he's still looking for something else.
Okay, got it.
They're in room 13. Hey, Attorney Horn. Oh, you're
No,
muted.
I just text him. I'm wondering if trials are no, because I really kind of gotta go. I
Yeah.
don't know. Yeah.
That's why I said you had your offer there.
Okay, I'll go into, but I did text him to see what they wanted to do.
It looks like we're going to go to formal hearing on the disregarding red.
Okay, Ms. Horn just, she's in the courtroom. She just got a copy of the ticket.
And so that means we're going to trial and everything.
So she said trial will be on everything. I'll email Mr. Johnson.
Yeah, that's Attorney Johnson. Sure, his client knows that.
Yeah, I'm scanning it now so I can email him a copy. Well, I'll email you one too. Just in case.
Hey, Tompkins.
Hey,
Oh, we're on mute. You can.
how you doing today, Your Honor?
I'm good. How are you?
Doing fine.
Thanks. Thanks. That's it.
All right. Okay, looks like we're ready on Denzel Taylor, and then we will, I guess, start our formal hearing on Price.
Okay.
Okay.
Ready for me to call it?
Yes.
Okay. For Denzel Rayshard Taylor, SP 1902593, counts 1 and 2, drove while license not valid or improper license, open alcohol in a motor vehicle driver, and SP 1901806, count 1, failed to stop for a stop sign.
Thank you. Today's date and time set for trial. Attorney Rothbard, are you placing an appearance on the record today for the city?
No, Your Honor, not in this matter. I believe APA or yeah, Attorney Horn will be joining us shortly.
Thank you. All right, Attorney Johnson, your appearance, please.
Good morning, Your Honor. Rodney Johnson, P78121, appearing on behalf and with my client who's appearing via Zoom. Sir, go ahead and state your full name for the record.
Denzel Taylor.
Thank you. Attorney Horn, did you wish to place an appearance in this matter?
Tamika Horn on behalf of the City of Detroit, P70303. Sergeant Orovets, would you please state your name and badge number for the record?
Yes, Sergeant Timothy Orovets, badge S15, Detroit Police Department.
Thank you. Okay, looks like we're gonna have a plea to open alcohol passenger, everything else being dismissed. Attorney Johnson, is that correct?
That is correct, Your Honor.
Thank you,
My
Mr.
client's
Taylor.
been
Does that
advised of
sound
his
right
rights.
to you? I'm so sorry,
Yes.
Attorney Johnson.
No problem. Just wanted to let you know that my client was advised of his rights and he was waiving his rights to a trial or formal hearing today.
Thank you. All right, Mr. Taylor, is that correct?
Yes.
Thank you. Did anybody promise you anything else to get you to plead guilty today?
No.
Anyone force, threaten, or coerce you into a guilty plea today?
No.
Are you pleading guilty because you are guilty?
Yes.
Did counsel advise you that you have the right to a trial and the rights that you would have at a trial?
Yes.
You understand you won't have those rights if I accept your plea today because there will not be a trial?
Yes.
Please raise your right hand and swear or affirm that you will tell the truth. Just need an answer, please. Mr. Taylor, do you swear to tell the truth?
Yes. I'm sorry,
Thank
I
you.
went out.
That's okay. Madam Clerk, may I have a date and location, please?
April 25th, 2026, West Adams and Park Avenue.
Mr. Taylor, is it true that at that date and location in the city of Detroit, you were operating an open
Yes.
container of, Mr. Taylor, this is your plea. This is the time when I need your full attention.
Okay, I'm sorry. It's a little loud at work.
Did you hear the date and location just stated by Madam Clerk?
Yeah, she said April 25th, 2026.
Is it true that at that date and location in the city of Detroit, you possessed an open container of alcohol in the passenger area of the vehicle that was on a public roadway? Would you repeat your answer, please?
Yes.
Thank you. Your fine is $190, sir. You have 60 days to get it paid in full or see the cashiers on the first floor for a payment plan. You just need to make sure you at least give them a down payment and start the payment plan within the 60 days or your deal falls apart, okay?
Okay.
All right, have a good day.
You too. Thank you.
For the record, everything else is dismissed. Thank you.
Okay, thank you.
Okay. So we now have our formal hearing, it looks like, as to Ms. Price. I did see your notation and you just need to make sure that she knows that, you know, if we're going to formal hearing, these are all in the same date location. We got a formal hearing on or trial on all matters.
Okay, Your Honor. I will relay that to her. I wasn't sure if it would be bifurcated, where she could accept the partial plea and then go to formal hearing.
Well, that would be a Ms. Horn question. And when Ms. Horn saw the note, she said we're going on everything. So unless, you know, she'll have to prove that she had her documents on the day of the infraction that she got the ticket.
Okay. All right, give me one moment, y'all.
Thank you. Okay, how are we proceeding on the Price matter?
To trial, Your Honor. I did advise my client of her rights. She wants to continue her not guilty plea. And she's scheduled for trial today and have her trial.
Thank you. Attorney Rothbard, are you able to hear me?
Yes, Your Honor.
Please let Ms. Horn know we're ready to proceed.
Yes, Your Honor. She should be back shortly.
Please convey to her that everyone is present and ready to begin trial.
Yes, Your Honor. I'll let her know.
Thank you. Okay. Okay.
Ms. Price, if you can turn your camera on.
All right, everybody, cameras on. Thank you. All right, Ms. Price, I want to make sure you're not laying down in bed, are you?
I'm sitting up. It's a window right there.
I can see the window. My question is whether you were in bed. We're in court, so in bed is not appropriate. Please get out.
I'm not in bed. I'm just sitting on the bed. This is the quietest place in my house right now. I'm just sitting on the bed.
Thank
I
you.
have on clothes. I'm just sitting here. I'm
Thank
just
you.
sitting here.
Ms.
You want me to-
Price?
I can stand up.
Ms. Price, you may sit down. We don't need to come in hot like that. We're okay. We're going to start trial in a minute. All right. I get that it's not fun to be here, but I'm sitting in the middle. I don't have a problem with you. I don't have a problem with the city. I'm just here to listen and make a decision. Okay. All right. Do we have a city attorney? I thought I just saw Ms. Horn.
Just preparing a few materials. We'll be ready shortly.
Okay, thank you, Your Honor. Ready.
Okay,
And
thank you.
is officer in here?
Yep, Officer Hofer is here.
Here you go. Thanks.
Okay, Madam Clerk, would you please call the case?
Okay, for Samoya Price, SP 1895058, counts 1, 2, and 3. No insurance misdemeanor, drive unregistered or untitled vehicle, drive while license suspended. And SP 1895065, count 1, disregard red signal.
Thank you. All right, today is the date and time set for trial. Any preliminary matters before we begin? We've got trial and formal hearing. Trial on the misdemeanors, formal hearing on the civil infraction. Charges here are no insurance, driving an unregistered or untitled vehicle, driving while license suspended, and disregarding a red or yellow light, all charged to have occurred on April 25th, 2026 in the area of Chalmers and East Warren Avenue at approximately 7:37 p.m. All right, council appearances, please.
Tamika Horn on behalf of the City of Detroit, P70303. Officer Hofer, please state your name and badge number for the record.
Officer Stephen Hofer, badge 2806.
Good morning, Your Honor. Rodney Johnson, P78121, appearing on behalf and with Ms. Price, who's appearing via Zoom. Ms. Price, state your full name for the record.
You're muted. Let's get you unmuted, Ms. Price.
Samoya Price.
Thank you. All right, any preliminary matters before we begin?
Your Honor, go ahead. I'm sorry.
None from the people, Your Honor.
From the defense, just wanted to place on the record that Ms. Price was advised of her rights and possible outcomes, and it is her wish to continue this matter for a trial today.
All right, thank you. And Ms. Price understands that as these tickets were all issued on the same date, same location, the trial and formal hearing applies to all charges.
That is correct. That's our understanding. Is that not correct, Ms. Price?
It's correct.
All right, thank you. Okay, Attorney Horn, your first witness.
Yes, the people will call Officer Hofer.
Officer Hofer, please state your name and badge number for the record.
Officer Stephen Hofer, badge 2806.
Please raise your right hand and swear affirm that everything you tell the court today will be the truth.
Everything I tell the court will be the truth.
Thank you. You may put your hand down. Okay, Attorney Horn.
Thank you, Your Honor. Officer Hofer, where are you currently employed?
Detroit Police Department, 5th Precinct.
And how long have you been a police officer?
A year and 1 month.
Okay. And have you had any training during this time as an officer with the police?
Yes.
And can you describe some of your training or any of it?
Well, I went to the police academy for 6 months, and then I've been a probationary police officer for a year, where I work with a confirmed officer, and they teach me.
Got it. And have you had some training in regards to traffic matters?
Yes, ma'am.
On April 25th, 2026, were you on duty?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, and was that approximately 7:36 p.m.?
Yes.
Okay. And on that date and time, where were you?
I was on patrol on Chalmers near East Warren.
Okay. And is that in the city of Detroit?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. And were you on duty at that time?
Yes.
And what brought you to that area?
Just patrolling the area. Yeah, just patrolling the area. And
Okay. Okay, fair enough. Thank you. And what did you observe at that time?
I observed Miss Price and
Now, officer, if I'm asking for this from your independent memory, if you need to review a copy of the complaint or the ticket, please do so to refresh your memory if the court will allow.
yeah, so she was driving her vehicle.
Can we get some clarification? Is Officer Hofer, are you referencing your notes?
I have the tickets in front of me, yes.
Okay. And are you referencing your notes because you do not recall the answer to the question?
No, I recall. So we were going south on Chalmers, and then we observed her in her vehicle disregard an amber light and make a left turn to go eastbound on East Warren. We got behind the vehicle and ran a plate and saw she didn't have insurance, and her tags were expired since 2025.
Okay. And is a amber light also the same as a red light?
No.
Okay, in terms of, I'll rephrase it. Is a citizen or an operator of a vehicle, are they to stop at an amber light?
Yes.
And are they to stop? And an amber light is what we would call a yellow light, correct?
Yes, ma'am.
And is an operator of a vehicle, according to traffic rules of Michigan, are they to stop at a red light?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. And this light you stated was amber.
Yes, ma'am.
And what did you do after that? I know you were getting into that part.
So ran the plate and lean, discovered she did not have insurance on the car. The tags were expired since 2025. And also the registered owner had a suspended license.
Okay. And who was the registered owner?
Miss Price.
Okay. And are you still referencing your ticket? I will give you a moment to just review it if you need to. Because we do see you looking at the ticket. That's all.
Oh, yeah, I'm just.
I know you're nervous. Yeah.
Yeah, it's okay, but it's not appropriate for you to reference the tickets without letting the court know that that's what you're doing. You're to be testifying from your independent recollection, unless you're disclosing that to the court, okay?
All right, I'll move them on.
Thank you. If you need them, then you can let Ms. Horn know that you don't remember.
I understand.
Okay. And the question was, Was the registered who was the registered owner of the vehicle?
Miss Price.
Okay. And is the person that you pulled over after observing a violation of the amber light or running the amber light in this virtual courtroom today?
Yes, ma'am.
And can you tell us something or describe something that she's wearing or describe some things about her?
She was the one sitting on her bed, the black female.
And what something about her clothing maybe?
Um, she's wearing a headband.
All right, I think the identification is sufficient.
Okay, thank you. Your Honor, please let the record reflect that the police officer has identified the named defendant in this matter.
Record will so reflect.
And as a point of just clarification, are all vehicles on a public road to be insured and registered? Officer?
Yes, ma'am.
Are all vehicles, just to clarify, are all vehicles on a public road in the state of Michigan to be registered and insured?
Yes, ma'am.
And in addition to that, how did you discover that the vehicle was not insured nor registered?
Through the law enforcement information network, searched the plate and it came back to the vehicle and was showing it did not have insurance and the tags were expired.
And is the lien system or the law enforcement information network, is that something you use in the normal course of business?
Yes, ma'am.
And is that something you use every day for these matters?
About every day, yes, ma'am.
And did you was the defendant's or the respondent's license valid when you ran it through the lien system?
No, it showed she was suspended.
No further questions at this time, Your Honor.
I'm sorry, Cross Attorney Johnson.
Officer Hofer, as it relates to the beginning of your testimony, did you state that Ms. Price was driving along Chalmers Street? Was that correct?
Yes, sir.
And she then, when she reached, was the next, I guess, so when did you see her vehicle? On Chalmers or actually on Warren?
On Chalmers, making the left turn onto East Warren.
Okay, on Chalmers, making a left turn on East Warren. All right. And at that time, that's when you stated she went through the amber signal, correct?
Yes, sir.
All right. Do can you tell us if there's any landmarks or anything on Chalmers Road to identify? How did you know she was on Chalmers?
There's a street sign. Also, there's a green light liquor store, Big D Liquor, right there.
Okay. All right, thank you. Okay. And you stated that you ran Ms. Price's information through lien, and besides running the information through lien, did you ever ask Ms. Price if she had the actual documentation of insurance registration or valid license?
I believe my partner did. He went to the driver's side. I went to the passenger side, and I went to ask the passenger if he had a valid driver's license, and she rolled the window up on me and said, "You're not supposed to talk to him." So,
Okay, so you never questioned Ms. Price at the scene?
no, my partner did.
All right, no further questions.
Okay, thank you. Anything for redirect?
Just as a redirect, is lean information the law enforcement information network, is that accurate?
Yes, I checked it yesterday and it still says she's suspended.
Okay. And you rely on lean, correct?
Yes, ma'am.
And is lean, do documents always mean that the vehicle is licensed or the person is licensed or the vehicle is registered or insured?
Not always. There can be an instance where someone has their up-to-date registration, and then they could have used fraudulent insurance or canceled the insurance right away, and the registration could be voided at that point.
Okay. And so documentation, is it a clear representation of what's really going on with the vehicle?
Not always, no.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Right, anything further?
Not
Can I
a
say something?
witness.
Yep,
Nothing
just a
further
moment,
from
Ms. Price. There's an order to the trial, okay? So just a moment. You'll have a chance. Officer Hofer, the court has a question just given your testimony regarding your status. Are you MCOL certified?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay,
Mr. Ragnon, I'm in formal hearing. Is it an emergency? If not, I will be in Perkins shortly. Are we going to trial? I'm sorry. Okay,
All right, thank you.
I'm
Attorney
sorry, Ms.
Johnson, Attorney Johnson, anything on redirect?
Not for this witness.
All right, thank you. Okay, do you wish to call Ms. Price?
I do, Your Honor.
All right, thank you, Ms. Price. Go ahead and unmute, please.
I'm unmuted.
Thank you. Raise your right hand. Swear or affirm that everything you're going to tell me today is the truth.
Yes, I swear everything is the truth.
Thank you. All right. Attorney Johnson.
Thank you. Ms. Price, you heard the date and time, which is April 25th, 2026 at approximately 7:36 p.m. Is that correct? Do you recall that date and time?
Yes.
And on that date and time, approximately, what were you doing?
I was driving my vehicle to the hospital.
All right. And do you remember what route you took to get to the hospital?
Yes, I was coming from the Ross area. I took Harper down to Outer Drive where it turns into Alta Road. I was never ever on Chalmers. When his partner turned on his light,
Wait 1 second, Ms. Price. 1 second. You're giving me the route that you took. You're not giving me anything else. That's the
I
question.
took Harper to Outer Drive, which turns into Alta Road. And I ended up at Alta Road in Warren at the light.
All right, thank you. And then when were you requested by law enforcement to pull over?
In front of Skating Land on Alta Road, approaching Warren.
All right, thank you. And then once you approached Warren, what happened next?
We waited for the light to change green. They had me cross Warren and make a right up into the parking lot of the Citco gas station that sits across from Skating Land. We were never on Chalmers.
Thank you very much. All right, and then what happened next, if you recall?
Well, he never got out. He never approached the car. It was the other officer.
Okay.
It was never him.
So
He had black hair and he asked me to step out of the car.
Ms. Price, listen. You've been waiting for a chance to tell your side of the story. I understand that. Zoom is difficult. You have to let your attorney ask you questions. You have to wait for him to finish, and then you need to give him an answer. If there are additional things that, Ms. Price.
Because he's lying. That officer is not telling the truth.
Ms. Price, but this is a real good way for you to lose a case that you might otherwise win. So stop. If I can't hear you because you won't let the attorney ask you questions, and I can't get succinct answers. And you'll have a chance at the end, okay? But right now, there are specific questions that he's asking you, and I need an answer. All right? So, I mean, really, we're just trying to get through this. Attorney Johnson.
All right, thank you. And Ms. Price, you were the driver of the vehicle on that day and time?
Yes.
All right. And so when you were asked to be pulled, when you were asked, or how did you know you needed to pull over for the officers?
I seen the lights.
Okay. And so that gave you an indication. And so I think you're stating you pulled over into the gas station. Is that correct?
Yes.
All right. And at that point in time, you said an officer approached the vehicle. Is that correct?
Yes.
And the officer that approached the vehicle, you stated, I believe you were trying to say, is that officer in the courtroom today?
No.
Okay. And the officer that's not in the courtroom but did approach the vehicle, did that officer ask you for any information, driver's license, registration, or insurance?
He asked me for my driver's license and my insurance, but he didn't give me enough time to get it, so he only received my license.
All right. And did you present the license to him?
Yes.
All right. You said he did not give you enough time to present. What document did you say that you wanted to present, but you didn't have enough time at
My registration and my insurance.
Okay, registration and insurance. All right. And as it relates to the insurance and the registration, do you have those items today that you wanted to present on
Yes.
April 25th? All right. And if the court needed to see those documents, you would be able to provide them?
Well, I have the registration here. I only have the insurance on my phone. So I don't know how that work.
Okay. And I believe there was a discussion regarding your license. Do you know whether your license was suspended or not? Again, do you know whether it was suspended or not on April 25th, 2026?
No, I was not aware.
All right. No further questions, Your Honor.
All right, thank you. Attorney Horn, Cross.
Yes, thank you. Good morning, Ms. Price. You said that you were in front of Royal Skate Land.
Correct.
Okay, I know this area very well. I'm an East Sider. You do know that there is no gas station across the street from Skate Land.
There's a gas station on Warren and Alta Road.
You said you were in front of Skate Land when he pulled you over.
When he turned
Across
his
from
lights on.
And you said you were across from Skate Land.
I was riding up Alta Road. Skating Land was on the right-hand side of me. I'm riding up Alta Road approaching Warren. There's a Citgo gas station once you cross the light.
Okay, also, at the time that you presented your documentation or tried to present the documentation, was it valid?
No, it wasn't.
And at that time, you weren't aware that your license was suspended,
No.
but factually it was.
You asked me, was I aware that my license was suspended? I said no.
But factually it was suspended.
If that's what he's saying, he read on his screen.
Your Honor, I object cause of speculation at the time. She said she was unaware.
All right.
At that time.
Thank you. All right, defendant stated she's not aware, asked and answered.
Okay, thank you. No further questions, Your Honor.
Thank you. All right, any redirect, Attorney Johnson?
No redirect, Your Honor.
Thank you. All right. All right, given defendant's testimony that the vehicle insurance registration were not valid at the time of the stop, Court does find defendant guilty on those 2 counts. Court needs clarification as to, well, there was no admission. One moment, please. While the courts have ruled that the lien search is sufficient to pull a person over, our case law for Michigan also recognizes that that system is also sometimes wrong. Ms. Price has stated that she does not know whether her license was valid or not at the time. Officer Hofer has testified that the lien system returned saying that it was not valid. Court has not seen an SOS report, not been presented with those establishing that the license was not valid at the time of the stop. I don't find that I have sufficient proofs there because I don't have an SOS admitted into evidence to tell me. Last thing is the right turn, finding Ms. Price not responsible there. I find that the court has had insufficient information. I do have Officer Hofer's statement that there was a turn. However, I don't have any testimony as to the traffic conditions, positions of the vehicle, anything else that would tell the court whether or not the exception applies in terms of the red or yellow light and the stopping at a red or yellow light, which we all know is in Michigan, you must stop for a yellow light unless conditions or surrounding traffic make it unsafe to do so. So guilty on the no insurance, guilty on the no registration, not responsible on the light, and not guilty on the license. Ms. Price, 190 on the no insurance, 100 on the registration, $290 is your fine. 60 days to get it paid in full or get on a payment plan with the cashiers on the first floor within the 60 days, okay?
Okay, thank you.
Right, thank you.
Have a great
Right.
day.
Have a good day,
Thank you, Your
everyone.
Honor.
Thank you
Thank you,
for your work
counsel.
today.
Thank you, officer.
Bye-bye.